everyone, and welcome back to another RNA Weekly video. Today we're going to do a quick recap of a project we showed you 2 weeks ago. Last time we saw this space, we talked about how many possibilities there are before installing a pool. Planning is very important. We can see here that the grading on this project has been mostly done. We have also added a flagstone walkway from the pool to the shed. We've also added a retaining wall, natural stone steps, and some rock beds. Each of these aspects are coming together to make this backyard even more beautiful. The final steps include planting the various trees, shrubs, and flowers, amending the irrigation to fit the new beds, cleaning up, and of course, spreading grass seed. Then the project should be all finished. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for our final update video.